Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another online haul here for you today, and this is from Create for Less, which was shared by Christian's Crafty Adventures. She shared some really good deals from this website, very cost effective, like she likes to say. So I just cut the tape off and I have not gone into the box. Let's see. I'm gonna move the box. Okay guys, here's my little invoice, which I do appreciate that, coming from a company I've never ordered from before. So, oh my gosh, Christian, look what you made me do. I love it! I'm sorry. Here it is, guys, Doodlebug. So she sent us there for these. Remember, she was saying that these were getting scarce, hard to find. So I grabbed the doodle stamps. This is Trick or Treat, and this one is Happy Halloween. But I think I have a die. I made sure that I picked up the die, but I guess they didn't have the other die for this one. That's okay, we'll just fussy cut. But here we go. We got the popcorn, got the candy, the lollipop, cotton candy. There's another caramel apple. Look at this little girl. Super cute. She reminds me of my daughter. Maybe more this one than this one. Okay, so here we go. Trick or Treat from Doodlebug. Craft for Less is what it's called, you guys. I'll try and share the link below. And then you have some sentiments, but this is the one Christian had got inspiration from, so I'm excited to play with this. And then this one is together, you can see right there, and it's Happy Halloween. You got a boo sentiment, Trick or Treat, Happy Halloween. You got some googly eyes, well, not googly eyes, but you know what I mean. And then we got the awesome castle. And you have these fireworks stars, a bat. This little boy is so cute. A Dracula. So what I like about it, you can use this all together. All together, guys. And then this one I made sure I picked up the die. So these were the ones that were on clearance. These right here, all of this. All I did, went to the website, typed in Doodlebug and in the clearance section, and it pulled up everything. So this one is Happy Kids Bits and Pieces. There's 28 pieces. This is the Say Cheese collection. Christian, let me know if you want to see it, because I will pull it out, but let me go through this first. I'll probably do a separate video with those pieces. And then here is the icons. I think this is the icons for the Happy Halloween, because it looks, yeah, Happy Halloween, because look, got the stars and the castles. So this one is Happy Halloween. Whoops. I'm the worst show and teller. Here we go. It looks like this. Isn't it cute? Thank you, Christian. Look at this girl. She's so cute. The mummy. So it's one-sided. And then here's the Chit Chat. I think these are also nope, this is Candy Carnival. Guys, I did not just stick with one collection, because as far as I'm concerned, you can go either way with all of Doodlebug's kits, because their colors are so interchangeable. I love, love, love it. So here's another one that I can share with you, but this is called the Chit Chat. There's 90 pieces, and this is Candy Carnival. That's what they look like. And I could do a separate video for that. Okay. So they had the kits. All right, so let me move these, because I have no space. I'm gonna move these out of the way. I could do these videos separate. But for right now, let's get into this bad mamma jamma. This is a value bundle, And it is, what collection is this? I don't remember. It's not visible to me. I'm fairly new to Doodlebug. So here we go. And I did not see any 12 by 12 paper sets there, or paper pads. They did have kits and 6 by 8s paper pads, and I'm not good with 6 by 8s because I like big paper. So the first thing I see, we have 12 yards of washi, and look at the washi, guys. This is perfect for Disney in September. It's just all these colorful washi, colorful stars. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought I was missing, oh my gosh, I thought I was missing one of the tokens. So this is called Little Spooks Tokens, coordinates with Doodlebug products. That's what they look like. It looks like it has that faux epoxy on top. And you get 4. There's a spider, the bat, the pumpkin, and this is a ghost. You can't really see it with all the glare, but there he is. Okay. But that is so cute. This is all in one kit. This is a kit. And it said it was like about a $65 value pack. But oh my gosh, look at this. 18 pieces. These are brads. Look at these brads. Oh my gosh, look at the owls. I love these little boos. Oh my gosh. You guys, I think these are, every single one of them are brads. I think so. Yep, every single one of them. So these little boos and the stars, oh my gosh, these guys are so adorable. So every one of them are brads. And you get 18 in that one. Okay, this one is a mini Doodle Pops. Oh my gosh, it's all the candies and the pumpkin. Very, very, very cute. Okay. Oh, we got a normal regular sized Doodle Pop, and I could see where Christian's coming from with the triple layer thick, and then you got 2 layers. These are so cute. Yes, we will be making some. I'm planning on using these in October, just regular traditional color Halloween. So look at these gorgeous flower sequins. This is a gorgeous mix. Very cute. I love that. And I think you get, doesn't say how many ounces, but you can see it's not a lot. I would throw these in with another mix just to make it go longer or go farther. Here's another Doodle Pop, and it's a little frog in a jar. I hate frogs, by the way, FYI. So here's another one. Oh my gosh. We got more brads. These are velvet, crushed velvet, guys. Let's see what they look like. Oh, look, it's so fuzzy. It is so fuzzy. I don't know if you guys can even see the fuzzies on the... Oh, this is so cool. So cool. I'm so happy with this kit. You've got all kinds of stuff you can make with these brads. So there you go. And it's still going, guys. So here are some trims. Wow. So we have satin black with some, it's not embossed, it's just a print. And you have a braid cord. And you just got some regular grosgrain ribbon with some fun prints. And then you have this lace trim, purple, and orange, green, and black. And I think this is like a faux velvet or faux leather thing. But yeah. Ooh, I'm running out of time already. What? Oh yeah, it's a velvet. It's a velvet, guys. So there we go. There's that. Okay. This one is a Doodles cardstock. These are cardstock stickers. And oh my gosh, happy Halloween. That is so cute. So perfect. I love it. More stickers. Yes, you get one of those headline stickers and you got a few candies. Oh my gosh. These are rub-ons. You can rub on your projects. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. Guys, and I'm not even nowhere near done. So here you have some borders and they're all glitter. Every one of them. And then you have all glitter stickers. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Everything is glittered, guys. I'm loving it. Love, love, love this kit. And then you have all the papers. I don't know how many papers are in this kit. So cute. So we have this one. These are Booze and Brews. And then here are the little trims, borders. Oh, I love this. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is so cute. If you didn't go check out that website that Christian shared, oh, you gotta go check it out, guys. Check it out. And look at the eyeballs. I already know. I have a page that looks similar to this with eyeballs. And look, is that purple? Oh my gosh. This is terrible. I'm gonna have a hard time. Okay, so this one is their heavier weight and it's flocked. So the stars have little velvet flocking on it and the polka dots. Oh, you guys, if you could feel this. It's just very light, velvety flocking. And then the back is plain, which is awesome because I don't want to fight to choose what side I'm using. These are punch outs. Oh my god, Haunted Manor. I'm guessing that's the name of the collection. These are cute cuts. Oh, they're double-sided. Holy smokes. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then we have our little potions and cutouts. Oh my god. Okay, we're running out of time. Here's our trick or treat. And you got stripes, and these are heavier cardstock. The first few pages, oh, they're still hard cardstock, but yeah, that's what we got there. Look at these. Oh, look at these faces. Oh my god. I love it. Ghost and goodies. And there's polka dots on the other side. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Look at that. Oh, these guys are so adorable, guys. Oh, you're gonna look at the werewolf. Look at that werewolf. Yeah, baby. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. And then we have polka dots, but look at what's on the other side. Yes, caramel apples, candy corns, candies, lollipops. Oh, so cute. Oh, Christian, thank you for sharing that site, because that was amazing. So I'm going to attempt to put these off to the side. I'm not going to put them back in because it's going to be crazy. Anyway, let me end this video, and I'm going to come back and share with you on part 2 the other 2 collections that I picked up. So stay tuned for part 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.